Hey guys, so for this video, I am going to show you how to create your own Bitmoji on Snapchat with Selfie. So this is going to be easy, so let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up Snapchat. Now tap on your profile picture and tap on your settings. So here in your options, we can see this Bitmoji. So from here, you can tap on choose a selfie. So here, basically, you can choose whichever you want to use, and that is going to change your Bitmoji. So let's say, for example, let's choose this one and tap on done. So now we can see that our Bitmoji is changed. So that's how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.